this whole thing here is your auricle, and the lobe is the lobule, and then this is the helix where you have the cartilage. And as you remove this, you can see into the ear canal, so that leads you into the external ear. And your external ear is going to end where you have the eardrum. And I don't know why I can't free this. Let's see. Oh, another thing is, this is part of the petrous part, so this is the temporal bone. So when you remove that, then you can see the inner parts here. So there is the eardrum. You can kind of see how it kind of goes down there. And the eardrum is attached to this malleolus, and then the malleolus is attached to the anvil, and the anvil is attached to the stapes.
Is that synonymous with the incus? The anvil?
Yeah, so this
Oh,
would
this
be
incus
the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. So this one looks like the saddle where you put your feet in, and then this one looks like the ones that you work with iron to shape it, and then that's the hammer. You can kind of see the handle there. So those are the three. Now this shape here fits into the oval window. So here's the oval window, and that's where the piston goes back and forth like that to transfer the vibration. Right here's the round window, so when the vibrations come out, they'll come out the round window, and then they'll go down into the Eustachian tube or the auditory canal. So this is all part of the middle ear. So where you have the, if it was kind of like this, sorry. So this is all of the middle ear here, and you've got the three bones, your eardrum, and your windows. Now this is making up the inner ear, and so you have the cochlea, the vestibule, and then the semicircular canals. And the cochlea is going to have the cochlear branch, and the vestibule has the vestibular branch, and then together they make the cranial nerve number 8, which is your vestibular cochlear nerve. So you can kind of see there's a split there. One goes to the cornea, to the cochlea, and the other one is the vestibule. There's another nerve that passes by here, and it's the facial nerve, but I don't think this one shows it. And then in terms of your canals, you have the anterior, posterior, where are they? Did we list them? No, we didn't. We just have them as a group. Okay. So the fluid in there is the endolith. And if you were to look at inside the cochlea, you can see each one of these are their own little chambers. There's supposed to be 3 of them. So your scala vestibuli, and this is your tympanic or your cochlear duct. What are the 3 that they give you? I forgot them. Let's see, scala vestibuli, scala tympani, and cochlear duct. Yeah. So your tympani is above it, then your cochlea, and your vestibuli, and that one is connecting to the nerve. So each little chamber has its own link to its nerve set, and then they all merge together. So that's part of the cochlea there, and then this is all part of the vestibule and the semicircular canals. So this side has to do with balance, this side has to do with hearing.